with this guy. We're headed to run a couple of errands before he leaves me for the day to go out and hunt.
For the day. It's like 3 hours.
Okay, that's too long. I don't like being away from you for 3 minutes, let alone 3 hours, but whatever. You would prefer to spend the day in the woods, that's fine. So, we are headed to go and fill up my gas tank. No, we're not gonna fill up the gas tank. Let's point it at me, even though I haven't brushed my hair. Don't mind that. We're gonna go put 20 bucks in the gas tank because that's what we have left in our gas budget for the week. And I'm gonna need gas to go and run and do what I have to do at the beginning of the week. And if he takes me to go and get gas, then he can pump it and I don't have to freeze my ass off doing it. So, win-win. We're also gonna go to Taco Bell because I've got a hankering for a chicken quesadilla. So that's pretty much it. That's the extent of our time together today, but we're gonna savor it while we can. Left the kids at home. Yeah, that's the plan. Gas and Taco Bell. Doesn't take much to impress me.
Milk and coffee cream.
Oh yeah, we gotta buy milk and coffee creamer too. I really failed at grocery shopping this week.
Well, I mean, it's your coffee creamer. I can do without.
Yeah, well, I made sure I got yours. I forgot mine.
Yeah.
So at least I got you taken care of. Alright, I'll check in with you guys later. Alright, Eric just went into Taco Bell to procure me a quesadilla. I've been craving a chicken quesadilla, which is my favorite thing from Taco Bell, other than the Crunch Wrap. I really like the Crunch Wrap too. And I used to be obsessed with the chili cheese burritos, but they don't have those anywhere around me anymore. I don't know if all Taco Bells got rid of them or just our local ones, but those were like my favorite for years. Anyways, he just went in. Taco Bell's behind me to get that, and then we're gonna fill up the gas tank at $2.36 a gallon. Like I said, we're not filling it up. I don't know why I keep saying that. We're gonna throw 20 bucks in it so that I can go to my appointment. I have appointments on Tuesday, and I won't have to pump gas and freeze. I have to pump gas on Wednesday, but that's all right. Anyways, I'm just rambling. I'm in a weird mood today, so I'll check in with you guys later. So I've just been sort of multitasking for the last hour or so. I edited my vlog and I've got that working right now. It's uploading. I still need to make the thumbnail for that so that that can go live. It needs to be live by 6 and it's 4:30, so definitely waited till the last minute to do it. Usually I do it first thing in the morning, but I was, you know, hanging out with hubby and taking care of stuff. I'm also watching YouTube, watching budget videos because that's all I'm watching lately. Budget videos and meal planning prepping videos is all. I've been on a kick. I'm also updating my budget. There's laundry waiting in the wings for me to fold. I'm loving this paycheck bill tracker especially, but the entire budget by paycheck workbook. I'm loving it, especially having it in my little Happy Notes full-size 8.5 by 11 planner. This is working out phenomenal for me. I cannot wait to share more about this in a video. Think I'm definitely going to be sharing more budgeting videos in the new year, but I wanted to ask you guys, do you want to see those weekly? Seems like a lot, but because it's the budget by paycheck workbook, and because I budget paycheck to paycheck and we get paid every week, this would literally be like a once a week thing where I could get on, show you guys our budget overview, do the cash envelope stuffing, that sort of thing. You guys want to see that weekly, or do you just want to see it like once a month? Let me know what you're interested in. I'm going to try really, really hard in the new year to be much more, just much better, I guess, at uploading regularly. I definitely want to continue vlogging in the new year. I don't know at what capacity or what I'm going to be doing with that. Definitely won't be like daily vlogging every single day because this is really hard to keep up, both from a standpoint of like just editing every single day and all of that, but also having interesting stuff to show you guys because I literally do the same things every day. Pretty much sit here at home, do housework, laundry, do budgeting stuff, do planning stuff, you know, grocery shopping. And it's like, if I did this every day, long term, it would get really, really boring. Like, I'm surprised people are still watching. You guys have noticed, I'm sure, that the vlogs have been super short, like 5-6 minutes each, because there's just not a lot to show you that it isn't repetitive, same stuff over and over again. But I definitely want to be vlogging in the new year, maybe just like compile footage throughout the week and do like a weekly vlog. I definitely want to do budgeting videos. I definitely want to do grocery hauls. You know, the same stuff I've always done for you guys that you guys like to watch, and just be more... I'm sorry I'm not showing my face, you guys. I'm a mess today. Well, I showed you guys my face earlier. It doesn't matter. You know what I look like. I'm still wearing yesterday's shirt. It's been that kind of day. But yeah, I just want to be much better about being consistent, because I know over the last year I've have fallen away and haven't been consistently posting, and I really want to make that a goal for the new year. So let me know what other videos you guys would like to see from me. I probably won't post a video every day. If I say that I'm going to post a video every single day, that's just setting myself up for failure. So I'm not going to do that. I don't know if it's going to be like 3 videos a week or 5 videos a week or 2 videos a week. I don't know what it's going to be yet. So let me know in the comment section below if you've made it this far into the video. How often would you like to see me post videos? When do you watch YouTube? Do you watch it in the morning with your coffee, or do you watch it in the evening, like in bed before you go to sleep? Let me know, because that will help me decide what time I'm going to post videos, how often I post videos. Do you like to see the people that you watch on YouTube post like twice a week, daily, what? Let me know down below, and also let me know what your favorite YouTube videos to watch are, because I want to bring you guys what you want to see. So that's what I've been working on for the past couple of hours. Eric's out hunting. The boys have locked themselves in their rooms to do whatever it is they do in there. TV, video games, computer, whatever. I think Robbie's working on some homework. So I'm going to be getting dinner started here pretty soon. It's about 4:30 now, so another hour or so before I start that. But I'm going to be attempting a whole chicken in my air fryer. Don't really know how it's gonna go. I'm hoping it'll be really good. We'll see. I'll show you guys that. But I'm gonna make some wild rice with that. It's gonna be delicious, provided I don't screw it up, which I might. I'm not the world's greatest cook. Anyways, that's what's going on. I'm gonna go back to this. I'm gonna continue to update my budget for the week. I need to work on a thumbnail. I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Alright, you guys, so I am getting ready to put my chicken into my air fryer. This is my air fryer basket. This is a whole chicken that I got from Aldi. It is just over 5 pounds. And basically what I'm going to do is rub it in olive oil. My bottle of olive oil is gone. All I have left is what's in my little spritzer here. So I just pulled the little spritzer off. I'm just going to pour. I'm going to use some of this paprika. Also going to add some, not chili powder, some chili lime seasoning and some Montreal chicken to my chicken here. And then I'm going to put him in breast side down into my air fryer at 360 degrees for 30 minutes. Then I'm going to flip it over and cook it in another 30 minutes. And then, provided that it's brought all the way up in temperature, we'll eat it. So I'm going to hand the camera off to Austin so that I can do this. And you guys can, you know, watch what I do. So just point it essentially there so they can see the chicken, okay? I've already washed my hands. So we're just going to drizzle a little bit of oil on this. And massage it a little bit. I just got it in a bowl here to keep it from sliding around while I do this. I'm going to do the other side as well. I did pat this dry before I got started, so. Do that, and then we're going to get the seasonings in there. So a little bit of Montreal chicken. Stuff is so good. Again, just sort of rub it in. I know it looks gross, right?
I was thinking about the sound.
Sorry. And a little bit of paprika, which I should have opened ahead of time. Apparently we need like 4 hands for this. Robbie, help.
You touched it.
Not with the chicken hand. Don't worry. Open that one and open this one too. What? Paprika. Not a lot, just a little bit. And this chili lime seasoning is so good. And it's got some of the same stuff in it, but I've already put some oil into my little pan here, so I'm just going to flip this guy around. Get him in there, and then we'll go ahead and season this side, and then we'll get him in the air fryer. You can shut it off. Alright, so sorry about the lighting, you guys. It's that time of day, but I've got my chicken in my air fryer. He just barely clears the top there, so hopefully that'll be good. I'm going to go ahead and get this in. Everything I read said 360 for 30 minutes. Nope, that's not right. Let's add some time there. 360 for 30 minutes. And we'll go ahead and get it rocking. Hopefully it turns out good. Hi. Alright, you guys, I just took the chicken out of the air fryer. I took its temperature. It's dropping back down now, but with my little thermometer probe, he's done. So I'm just going to let it hit rest for about 10 minutes. Eric's on his way home, so once Eric walks in the door, we'll eat. But I also did some wild rice here. And this looks really, really good. Hopefully it will be. I'm going to just put the lid back on it. There's a lot of it. So we're going to have lots of leftovers, which means I don't have to cook tomorrow. So we are okay with that. And then I'm just steaming up some vegetables here in my little Copper Chef pan. So as soon as Eric walks in, we're going to eat.